Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Civic shift knob. Upgrading your shift knob is a simple way to personalize your car's interior and enhance your driving experience. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the necessary information. You'll need just a few basic tools, such as a flathead screwdriver and an open-end wrench, typically a 14mm or 9/16" size, depending on your vehicle. Now, let's get started by removing your old shift knob. First, gently pull down the shift boot from around the base of the knob. This will reveal the retaining mechanism, which is often a jam nut or a couple of Phillips head screws. Use your wrench or screwdriver to loosen these fasteners. Once loose, simply twist the shift knob counterclockwise. It might take about a dozen full turns to completely detach it. With the old knob removed, it's time to install your exciting new one. Carefully thread the new shift knob onto the shifter shaft by turning it clockwise. Screw it down until it's snug, then adjust its position so any numbers or patterns are perfectly aligned. Finally, tighten the retaining nut or screws at the base very firmly. This ensures your new knob is secure and won't loosen during spirited driving. Before you hit the road, perform a few quick checks. Make sure your new shift knob is completely tight and doesn't have any play. With the engine off and your foot on the brake, cycle through all the gears to confirm smooth operation. Lastly, pull the shift boot back up and snap it securely into its original position. Congratulations! You've successfully upgraded your Honda Civic shift knob.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.